Hello, I've got here a Strada Avanti F 636 centimeter long camper van. It's very nice inside. Strada do a more elegant type of camper van, and this one here is going to cost, wait for it, 122,000 euros. That's a 1, a 2, another 2, and 3 zeros. Yes, that's correct. That's a lot of money to pay for a camper van, but I've got to say it is pretty nice inside. Now, to start off with, I need to point out that these carpets are here for protecting the vehicle. They might give them to, in fact they probably would do if you bought it. That's what it normally looks like. In fact, here you can see also there's a bit of storage in the floor. I think I'm going to spend 122,000. They'd probably give you some used carpets to go with it. Let's go to the very back and see, here we've got a widthwise bed at the back, and with a window, and we've got storage all the way around. Got right, so put the hand in there. Well, you know, you could manage to get a few things in that. There's also these daft things. I don't know what you're supposed to do with that. It seems a bit pointless to me, and they also go all the way around as well, or nearly all the way around. Just can't see the point of that at all. As far as I'm concerned, it's good storage space which has gone to waste. Here we've got some more storage. There you go. Proper drawers with proper sides to them, and they're a place to keep all your socks and your underpants. And there's also a fridge as well here. There's a domestic fridge. There you can see it, what it looks like inside. Now, I have said in the past that Strada's does look a bit like an office, but that's not a problem, because an office is great for actually storing things. Now, one of the things they do have is this very attractive washroom. Very, very nice, large, and it comes with a double door. This is the only company I know of which does a double door. Inside the washroom we find a mirror and sink. And if I come down here, open this door up here, you get into what I suppose one might call the garage in this case. I'll close this here, and we'll see that from the back in a moment. Coming through here, well, I think the decor is very attractive. That's my opinion. It mightn't suit everyone, and at the end of the day, I know nothing about what nice decor looks like. We've got a large table there. Here we've got this very large filing cabinet, great for keeping your clothes in, and once more, it's a proper drawer. Now, there's a bed up here. This bed comes down. It comes down quite easily actually, but in view of the fact that there is this sign here, I'm not going to do it myself. It comes down with a little bit of a tug on that, and that gives you all the space below. It rests on that. It's very, very wide. Very wide width of the vehicle, and it's over 2 meters in length. Here we've got a bit more storage. Bear in mind that this is where you've got this the bed, so you can keep your coins, your beer cans, and anything else you might take to bed with you. Mobile phone. Right, and here 2 burners and a sink, which unfortunately has got a small drainage plug in it, and lots more storage below. So, quite a nice vehicle, I think. And comes with an awning and a bike rack on the back. Some of these things are options, such as the bike rack on the back. This yellow piece of paper, I know it's a handkerchief or something, don't know why it's there, but that's an option. We cut at the back here, this will lift up to give all of this space below. So that'd be okay. If you want to carry your bike, you could do so, or two bikes. Unfortunately, it would mean though that only one person can actually sleep in here. Coming back here, there we have the gas cabinet. Two bottles will go in there, two large bottles will go there. Unfortunately, it's not at all convenient for access. And down here I've got the battery, and that is, can't see how much it is, looks to me like 110, but it's only, the thing is like this, there's only space there for the one battery, but you've got all this space here as well, so you could actually use some of this space for more batteries if you wanted. I saw a battery system by a company called EcoFlow today, where you could actually stack the batteries on top of each other, which I thought was a really interesting solution. I mean, normally you don't do that. They were lithium ferrous phosphate batteries as well, so I mean they go on for ages. I mean, I rarely have to I believed I was off the grid from March until October, more or less. There's enough sunshine to actually, but unfortunately I did run out of power, and I don't know the reason why in August. It's probably a perfectly good reason. I've probably set my system up incorrectly or something like that, but I don't know why it happened. Anyway, good. So that is the La Strada Avanti F campervan from La Strada. So I'm in a caravan salon Dusseldorf. Thank you very much for being here, and if you subscribe, you'll get lots of videos like this, unbiased accounts of the vehicles. I tell the truth, not what the manufacturers want, and I have got 11 years experience from living in a vehicle myself, both campervan and motorhomes. So I upload every day at 21:15 Central European Time, 20:15 in the UK, and 12:15 in California. So all the best from me, and thanks for watching.